What's up, guys? Thanks for watching another video. Got the E92 out here today. We actually just made it to the shop. It's already looking like a BMW type of day. We got my E92 out here. Semi-clean. We got it detailed a couple days ago, but I'm gonna wipe it all down right now. Then we got this E92 here that we just finished up wrapping. Right now we're just waiting for the customer to come and pick it up, but this car went from gloss black to satin black. This color looks super sick. The car looks insane, dude. I love it with these wheels. You cannot go wrong with satin black. It looks so freaking good. Again, guys, if you guys need any wrap jobs done or anything, hit us up at SYCKWRAPS. I'll be replying to every DM. If you guys want like a quote or anything like that, let us know. We can find you any color, anything like that, and you know it's always the best. Always trying to make everything perfect, looking like paint, just like my car. Any vinyl wraps, full wraps, hood wraps, roof wraps, we can do it for you. We got my E92 wrapped, and I think next we're doing a GTR, so it should be pretty sick. We got the homie Manny doing an oil change. Damn. Engine swap or what?
Maybe.
Yeah, Manny's car is also satin black. Same exact wrap as that one. It'd actually be a cool picture putting them together. We brought the E92 out today because, like I said in the beginning, it is gonna be a BMW type of day today. I guess there's this huge BMW car meet going on today. Everyone's been sending it to me this week. Like literally everybody. A bunch of you guys and a bunch of my homies. And no, I'm not bringing a GTR to this one. I'm actually bringing my BMW to the BMW meet. I heard it's gonna be pretty freaking big. I heard a lot of cars are going, so it's gonna be pretty sick. Finally, some BMW content, like old times. But yeah, before we hit that car meet, I wanna wipe the whole car down. Like I said, it looks clean, but it's pretty freaking dusty. It just, oh there, you can kind of see. That's what I really like about this wrap though. It could be super dirty and you would never be able to tell because it's so glossy. Just like that, the car is all clean now. You can barely tell a difference. The wheels look a little bit more shiny than they were, but it looks way cleaner. No hood exit?
Not today.
Do it today.
Bro, no, my plates are expired.
Bro, I would do it every day.
The last thing I need is to get pulled over.
Look what happened again, guys.
Am I looking to a mirror?
Black jeans vans, black jeans vans. And that's the new merch. I don't even want to show it yet, bro.
Show it.
Unreleased right there. Yeah, I know. I've been wearing the unreleased merch, guys. So if you guys see me in person, you guys will get a sneak peek, but this is all the new merch we've been wearing. I'll keep you guys updated though when we're gonna drop all that stuff. But hopefully like sometime in March, probably like the first couple weeks of March. So stay tuned. I'm gonna just walk around like this so no one sees. Alright guys, first things first, we gotta go get some oil for my car. This car burns oil so freaking fast. If you guys own an E92, you guys know exactly what I mean. Every couple months, it says add a quart of oil, add a quart of oil. It's so obnoxious, bro. Alright guys, we made it. And there's so many BMWs here. It legit looks like Bimmerfest, bro. M4s, E92s, E36s. Bro, there's so many BMWs here. It's crazy. What's up? Also, a lot of you guys are here, I think.
Nick, I love you.
Damn, look, is that the new M4? Sheesh. I don't know about the girl, but it's pretty sick. Look at this E46 though. Sheesh. Damn, that F80 is so clean. That one too. That color is crazy. We made it. There's so many people. What's up, bro?
What's up?
How are you?
Good,
dude, there's so many BMWs.
Dude, it's sick. Dude.
It's like Bimmerfest.
For real.
Already a bunch of you guys saying what's up, which is super dope. Damn, dude. E36, M3. There's so many BMWs. BMW. This is the perfect vlog for you guys that have been telling me to make some BMW content. Ooh, what is this? Damn, dude, that shit is clean. Red E36 M3. Oh my god, bro. What, is this yours?
Yeah.
You want to sell it?
Fun. I just got it actually.
Oh, it's so clean, dude.
I appreciate it.
That's awesome, bro. These are my favorite BMWs here.
So we just got
Look at Manny, the vlogger.
Crowded with a whole bunch of people asking
We look so
for
dumb
stuff.
matching, bro.
Why are you
I'm so embarrassed, dude.
Oh.
Look who it is. The vlogger. What's up, Spencer? He's wearing the merch. Manny's wearing the merch. I'm wearing the merch. Merch. I'm gonna start throwing it out, bro. Guys, I still have a bunch of these shirts if you guys want them.
This is my
It's
favorite
the first link in the description, bro. Shop FindingNick.com. I know it is my favorite shirt too. And it's on sale. Everything's on sale. Bro, is this Jason's F80? Oh my god, dude. feel like I haven't seen it in a long time. I guess he lowered it though. It looks super freaking good. BBS's, of course. Big baller right here. So many E36s.
Bro,
Damn, that one's so clean. I know there's a lot of cars. I don't really know what to film, guys. BMW after BMW after BMW. Sheesh, look at this, guys. F80 on TEs. Wow, bro, this thing is so clean. Bro, when are you gonna get one, Manny?
I don't know.
Tomorrow? The roll cage looks so sick. What's up, dude? The homie Jovin's here in his E92. Oh, guys, I have content that I haven't even put in a vlog yet, but I drove this car about like 2 weeks ago, maybe even longer. I just haven't put it in a vlog, so soon I'll put that in a vlog, some old footage. But you guys all know this car. It's freaking perfect. My favorite E92, hands down. Damn, look at this wrap. Fade wrap? Dude, I've always wanted to do like a fade wrap like this, but it's super expensive, honestly, to get printed. But that's pretty crazy. It grabs a lot of attention. This is the homies M6 that you guys saw me say what's up to when we first got here. This thing's clean, dude. Color is crazy. This chrome. Oh my god. Guys, this M4 is so clean. Look how freaking clean it is. TBS wheels. And it's a CS. It's not a normal M4. Wow, bro. It's so freaking clean.
Oh, look, there he is, Big J. What up?
This M4 looks sick too. All tracked out. Should I do that rap? It's so loud in here, but there's some sick cars. Bro, it's so loud in here. I'm gonna have to put some music so I don't get demonetized. But look, the homie's car, Anthony, he wrapped it in this purple, like GT3 color. It's also from Innosatech, same brand as my wrap, but that color looks crazy on an M4. Man, dude, there's so many cars even in here. This place is huge.
Bro,
The new next wrap shop or what?
this is a big ass.
Whenever we get another shop, I want it this big, bro. I want to be able to do donuts in the shop.
meat's in.
And car meat's in here, bro. Damn, that color's sick too. That's some more BMWs.
That's what you're supposed to do.
GT3 or GT2? GT2 RS. Damn. I know those are hella expensive. Sam? Dude, this wrap is crazy.
Shout out SYCKWRAPS one time.
Damn, dude. They wrapped it good.
It's not actually a GTS.
That's a
guys.
sick wrap,
It's an M4, but we turned it into GTS.
Yep, regular M4. The homie Spencer finally got an F80, and it's so freaking clean. It's like the perfect spec. White on red. It's like yours. It's like your old one. Look at Hamza's car. This food aired out in the middle of the parking lot. Right in the middle, dude. That's E46 wagon. I seen this one at the Cars and Coffee a long time ago, but it's so freaking nice with red interior. Damn, dude. That shit is super crazy. You don't ever see that. Look at this F80. Look at the rear seats. Okay, first the front seats, and then the rear, same thing, bro. This is crazy. You can probably take all your friends to the track, and everyone could get in. This thing is so sick, bro. Imagine building like a drift car with 4 seats. I think Joseph wanted to do it actually, build like a drift car with 4 racing seats, and then everyone could go drifting at the track. Bring all your homies in the back. We're out, we left the meet. That meet was super sick. A lot of people and a lot of freaking cars. Now we're gonna go grab some food with all the homies. The homie Aris got a new car. Oh my god. You guys all remember Aris in the convertible E92. Now he has a convertible M6. Kevin got it like that or what?
Yeah, you know, shout out to myself.
Damn. What, Kevin? I'm talking to you? Kevin just vlogged the food, so I decided to vlog the food. What?
Put cheese on all my shit.
Oh, yeah. Manny's going to the gulag. Alright, guys, we just made it to this little car dealership.
About to buy shit right now.
I'm about to buy something, huh?
Bro, my great-great-grandpa gave me 18 Bitcoins. It's nothing.
About to come out of here with something new or what? Trade in the GTR? Sheesh. Oh, this SVJ that we were just talking about.
Oh, the one that was on. Yeah, it was.
Oh my god. Alright, I already found my car here. This is the only one I want. This is the one I'll pick, guys, out of this whole showroom. Sheesh, SVJ. in this matte red paint. Wow, bro. With red interior too. I think we looked it up online and it said like, how much? 600K, I think? Almost 700 for that. Sheesh.
I'm gonna get that one right there.
That's the only one I want out of this whole showroom. God damn, bro. This one is crazy. Slam on BBS wheels. And it's red. This is literally the perfect spec right here, bro. That shit is beautiful, bro. Bro, this thing is so freaking sick. Guys, I'm obsessed with this freaking Aventador. I haven't even left. I've been just staring at it. It's so sick. We got a Huracan. I really want to get a Huracan soon, guys. Like, that's like my next freaking big goal right there. The Huracan. Aventador is like after the Huracan, but I think we got to step up. We got to go levels. We got to get the Huracan and then Aventador. Some McLarens. Damn, that thing's crazy with the wing. This place is sick. I've never been here, but we decided to stop by on the way home. And there's actually pretty crazy cars here. Some 4x4s. I want one of these too. I want so many freaking cars, guys. Maybe one day I'll have a garage like this of all the cars that I want. Every time I see them, it blows my mind how big they are, bro. Like, this is a big ass freaking G-Wagon, bro. What is this thing, dude? Shit looks bulletproof. Damn, dude. Sheesh. Wow. Gotta go cars and coffee in this, bro. All of us. The whole squad in here. Damn, dude. With the stars in the roof.
I don't think I'm like old enough for one of these. Like look at me. I look small in this shit. Like, I don't know. I look so small.
It's actually a really big car, dude. I did not realize how big these things are. Dude, it makes the Aventador look small. We got my twin. The Rolls Royce twin. That shit's crazy. I think it's actually paint too. Out of all these cars, it has to be either one of those red Aventadors that I would pick. SVJ or the one on BBS wheels. You're picking SVJ? Which one are you taking?
Same thing.
The SVJ?
Or the Aventador.
One day, guys, we'll come here and buy something. I want to bring my GTR in here. Have a little photo shoot. Guys, look at this spec. We got the red on gold with blue interior. That's pretty crazy, dude. Gustavo's all happy because he ran into another GTR. Why you gotta gap him like that, Gustavo?
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga. Nigga, that's real shit. Well, y'all catching feelings, I'm catching